Alright, Tatau Mānaia everyone. We're at Salvation Army Kroc Centre now, 19th of October, Siva Samoa workshop. It's finally happening, and big shout out to all our family, Tamāli'i Entertainment, our family as well, and our parents. Stay tuned for today, and yeah, gonna smash it for the culture.
Let's go.
Hey, hey, ho! Hey, hey, ho! Tia! Tatau Mānaia! Tia! Tatau Mānaia!
Today's workshop, how are you finding the whole workshop today with Tatau Mānaia?
Amazing. Just by the opening, we was really touched about the singing. It was really, really touching for us, which, you know, in the Hawaiian culture we have it, but in the Samoan culture it was really touching for all of us, even my granddaughters. I have 3 granddaughters here and a grandson. So it was really touching, and I really, really, really felt the love just in the room.
It's crazy, man.
Beginning.
That's awesome.
Everyone sing.
How would you sum this whole workshop and this experience you guys have today?
I love it.
I love it. Nice, nice. I know you've been here not long,
yeah,
but
you know what? You should continue this. A lot of people here, not just here, other states as well, would like to attend. I'm sure they'd love to attend this workshop because not only it talks about the culture of Samoa, but it tells people who we are, and they understand what we are about, and all of it is about our culture, and to continue that with respect and just know what Samoa is all about.
I am loving the workshop. I absolutely did not have an idea. I knew it was going to be good, but I didn't know it was going to be this amazing. Groups from all over the valley. There's a group from Tucson, which is about 2 hours south, and a group from Texas, which is about 6 hours away. And they drove all the way in for this workshop, and I'm so glad we could, because it's beyond what I thought, or we would have thought the workshop would be. Amazing.
What about you?
I love the workshop. It's so much fun. Everyone's so inviting with how they're inviting us all to dance, and it's really energetic. And even the first song that we did, it was really powerful and it was deep, and everyone was loving each other and saying that we're all beautiful and we're all handsome and that we're great dancers, and it's so much fun to be here.
Samoa, laupule, taofi mau mau, apulima, omanono savai mau moro. Ole tala ya tuna mafata, ofaata usilifo imavaya, mawapule safi na wina, tamasese watanga tavaleina, otoana. Safina umolo sa olotonga Siva Samoa wasisila na fu Samoa ole famana tuatulena Engalo ya oe olo tatu amatama Samoa Samoa
Sweet. Talofa lava everyone again. We'll come to the end of our Siva Samoa workshop with the sis here. Ula,
Hey
say something to
everyone.
the camera.
Hi, thank you to everyone who came out today
Yo.
for supporting our movement.
Yes.
We love you all so much. Thank you so much.
Okay. Be back soon. Hopefully. Be back. Yeah. Sweet. They're the both, man. See ya.